Students, we have studied lesson 3 climate. Now for midterm, let us revise it once again. In this lesson, the terms we need to memorize are humidity, the amount of moisture in the air, altitude, the height of a place above the sea level, latitude, distance of a place from the equator. Now we studied the chapter climate. We studied about weather and climate. Now what is weather? Weather is the condition of a place over a short period of time. And climate of a place is the average weather condition over a long period of time. We also studied the factors that affect the climate of a place, that are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, winds and humidity. Now the earth has three main heat zones. Which are they? The torrid zone, the frigid zone and the temperate zone. We also studied a person who studies weather is called a meteorologist, and a person who makes map is called a cartographer. Now let's do the think and answer. Tick the right answer. First one, the amount of water vapor in the air is called, options given are humidity, density, moisture. So the correct option is humidity. Second one, hill stations are cold due to, first option high altitude, low altitude and last one high latitude. So the correct option is high altitude, first one. Third one, the earth has 4 heat zones, 5 heat zones and 3 heat zones. So we just now studied the earth has only 3 heat zones. So the last option is correct, 3 heat zones. Now fourth one, condition of a place over a short period of time is called climate, weather, humidity. So the correct option is weather. Now we come to the next question, fill in the blanks. In the polar regions, the sun rays are dash. So how are the sun rays? Slanting. Second one, in the torrid zone, the climate is dash. How is the climate? Hot and humid. Now the third one, the warm air is dash than the cold air. So what will be the correct answer? Lighter. Fourth one, the torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. So the zone is torrid zone. Number 5, the global warming occurs because of increase of dash in the atmosphere. So what is increasing? Carbon dioxide, CO2. Now we come to the next question. Write T for true and F for false statement. So the first one is weather keeps on changing. So this statement is very true. Second one, as we go higher it becomes hotter. So it is wrong. It doesn't become hotter, it becomes cooler. Third one, the torrid zone is very hot. So this is also wrong. The torrid zone is very hot and humid. Fourth one, humidity does not affect the climate of a place. This is also wrong. The humidity affects the climate of a place. Number 5, the climate of a place affects the life of people, plants and animals. So this is very true. Now we come to the next question. Match the following. First one, night time. So what happens during the night time? There is land breeze. Second, coast, we will match it with moderate climate. Then third one, the torrid zone, we will match the climate here is hot and humid. And fourth one, the frigid zone, it is very cold. Now let's read and gain knowledge for future references. Maheswaram in Meghalaya is the wettest place in the world. The highest temperature ever recorded in India is 50.6 degrees centigrade, and that was in Alwar, Rajasthan. The lowest temperature ever recorded is minus 45 degrees, and that was in Sechin Glacier in Jammu Kashmir. Now, have you wondered? The rainbow is simply caused by sunlight shining on raindrops. To see rainbow, you must stand with the sun behind you and the rain falling in front of you. The raindrops reflect these colors like a mirror. So next time, try yourself and note down the colors which you see in the rainbow. So students, I hope the important points that you have to learn for your exams are clear to you. And also note all the lessons of English, Social Studies, GK and Value Education are all given in this channel. So check out the videos and update all your work. Thank you.